Hey guys, welcome back to my brand new video. In this video, we're gonna be learning about geography. In this, we're gonna be learning soil erosion soil resources, chapter 8. So the syllabus under it is types of soil, that is alluvial, black, red, and laterite, distribution, composition, characteristics such as color, texture, minerals, crops associated. Then soil erosion, causes, prevention, conservation. Right. We'll just move on. So guys, the first topic you have to look through is constituents of the soil. So basically, constituents of the soil are derived from parent rock material through the process of breakup or wear and tear. Breakup or wear and tear. Decomposed vegetal and animal remains called humus. So, first point, they have given that the soil are derived from parent rock material through the process of breakup or wear and tear. Decomposed vegetal and animal remains called humus. Then, humus, silica, clay, sand are the other constituents of the soil. This was all about the constituents of the soil. Next, we have soil fertility. As you can see here, in the soil fertility, first point, it contains adequate amount of moisture to supply essential nutrients to the plants. Okay, it has sufficient depth to enable the plants to grow their roots as per their requirement. Third point, it is rich in nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium that are necessary for basic plant nourishment. Then the last point, it's over here. It says it contains organic matter that improves the structure of the soil. Soil classification. There are two types, or you can say two classification for the soil. So, okay. So I've already highlighted this from my textbook. So we're just gonna mark it. So residual or sedimentary soil and transported soil. Sedimentary soil is also known as in situ soil, and transported soil is also known as ex situ soil, or just ex situ. So in situ, these soil are formed in their original position by breaking up of parent rock. The examples are black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, and etc. But about the ex situ soil, it is a transported soil by various agents of erosion, consists of sediments carried and deposited by river and winds. Hence, they do not have a well-defined soil profile The example is alluvial soil because they are transported or known as ex situ soils. Then we have, you may be wondering, what is this? Black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, alluvial soil, etc. etc. It's basic. It's known as types of soil. So first thing we're going to learn about is alluvial soil. Though we have a table in upcoming pages about these types of soil, different types of soil, but still we're gonna go through it because I don't know, it'll help you in some way. So alluvial soil, the soil is formed by sediments brought down by rivers. It is rich in chemical ingredients. River deposit where the rivers deposit very fine particles of the soil called alluvium. Important. In their plains during the course of their long journey, the resultant alluvial is also known as riverine soil. The reason is because it is mainly found in the river basins. It is known as the riverine soil, right? So remember that it because it is mainly found in river basins. It is a mixture of sand, clay, silt called loam. So all these three together is called loam. In India, alluvial soils have been deposited by three important river systems. Indus, remember this, they can ask you in MCQ. So Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra. And again, what are these three rivers responsible? They are known as three important river systems to deposit the Indian alluvial soils. This soil occupies 40% of land area. You want me to show the diagram? I can. It is actually like 40%. So this dotted structure is the alluvial soil. So this covers 40% of the India's land of our country. That is, yeah, so cool, right? Damn. So we'll continue. Then we have the entire northern plains are made up of this soil, means alluvial soil. It is also predominant in the coastal plains and deltas, particularly in the deltas of Mahanadi and Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri rivers. On the basis of its age, the alluvial soil is of two types, Bangar and Kadar. The Bangar is the older alluvium is composed of lime nodules or kankar. This is important. There's a table on top, I'm going to show you later, and has a clay composition. The Kadar is light in color and is composed of newer deposits. Kadar is most fertile than Bangar soil, as new layers are deposited year after year during monsoon floods. Crops can be grown on old alluvial soil by using manure. It forms the largest and the most important group as it contributes the largest share of to the agricultural wealth of India. So now we're gonna go on top. Here's a table which is important. So we're gonna go through Bangar Kadir soil. First thing you have to remember is that Bangar is an old alluvium soil known as, remember this, old, known as Bangar, occupy the largest part of northern plains. The area in the northern plains that lies below flood levels is made up of Kadar. Bangar is found flood levels, above the flood levels of rivers and present in the terrace-like structures. Kadar is a younger alluvium as floodwaters deposit new layers every year. Bangar is full of conchers, that is lime nodules, as we read earlier. It is formed of fine silt and clay, that is Kadar. So Bangar is not very fertile. Kadar is very fertile, ideal for intensive cultivation. So, damn. Then we have distribution. So distribution, it's on three types: inland, delta, coast. Inland means the of Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Brahmaputra rivers extending from Punjab and to Bangladesh and Assam. Excuse me. I think there was a problem with the mic, so you're fine. So then Bangladesh, Assam, that is India, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, WB have alluvial soil. This soil type also covers a part of Gujarat and a few patches in Rajasthan. Then we have deltaic alluvium. So it is found in the deltas of Ganga, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri rivers. Then we have coastal alluvium. It is a tidal origin. It is found in the coastal strips of peninsular India. It is also found in the plains of Gujarat. Then we have characteristics of the alluvial soil. Damn. Okay, so for these characteristics of alluvial soil, we have color, texture, minerals, crops, etc. So first thing, color, from light gray to deep black. Its shades depends on the depth of the deposition. Remember this. Most importantly, remember this one. The color of the alluvial soil is from light gray to deep black. Texture: dry, coarse, porous, sandy. That's it. Dry, coarse, porous, and sandy. It consists of clay and organic matter. The soil particles are large and non-uniform. It is predominant in the Piedmont Plains. They are up to a depth of 500 meters. Minerals: alluvial soil varies in nature from sandy loam to clay. It is fertile soil as it is rich in minerals, especially iron, manganese, alumina, potash, and lime. But it's poor in phosphorus, nitrogen, and organic matter. Then we have to scroll down, which is about the third point under minerals, that is in a drier areas, it is more alkali, right? It is alkali. Crops. What are the suitable crops that can be grown in this soil? It is Rabi and Kharif crops. So what are they? Rice, wheat, sugar, cotton, tobacco, gram, oil seeds. In the lower Ganga Brahmaputra valley, it is useful for jute cultivation. Right. Then we have black soil. Black soil is black in color. Damn, I'm not being racist or chill. So the textbook is. Never mind. So black cotton soil, also known as regular soil. Sorry, soil. It is dark in color. Oh, sorry, next page. Yeah, it is dark in color. It is suitable for cotton cultivation. It is also known as lava soil. Yeah, because since it is formed by denudation of volcanic rocks. Damn, cool, right? Then distribution. It is over Deccan lava tract, which include parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, MP, GJ, AP, KA, TN. So you gotta remember because they can ask you for MCQs. So characteristics, color, texture, and we have more mineral crops. So color is black in color. That's it. It is formed from weathered lava rocks. Important texture. It is fine texture and clay in nature, up to 50% clay content, therefore highly retentive in water. Yeah, because of high clay content, this soil expands when wet becomes difficult to plow. During the dry season, it shrinks and develops big cracks, which helps in air circulation. This characteristic causes a kind of self-plying nature. Due to slow absorption, before that, this is the map. So this is alluvial, this is black soil, this is red and yellow soil, or yellow soil. This is laterite soil over here. Yeah, these. So you need to remember this, yeah. At least, not at least, you gotta practice it because they will surely ask any one of the soil marking. So we'll go down. It's the next page. So we have minerals. Minerals is fun because it has high quantities of lime, iron, magnesium, generally poor percentage of phosphorus, nitrogen, organic matter, crops. So the soil is very fertile in most of the places. It is suitable for cultivation of cotton, jowar, wheat, linseed, gram, citrus fruits like and vegetables, tobacco, and sugar cane. In any season, it has moisture stored in its subsoil. The moisture retentiveness of black soil makes it suitable for dry farming. Then we have red soil. Scroll down. So red soil is a soil which develops and on old crystalline rocks. Then distribution is it is the second largest soil group in India, found mainly on the plateau regions of peninsular India of Tamil Nadu, from Tamil Nadu in the south, Bundelkhand, huh, and huh, okay, yeah, in the north and Rajmahal Hills in the east to Kutch in the west. So red soil covers almost the whole area of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, parts of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bundelkhand, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Telangana, Nagaland. Damn, a lot of areas. So, oh, we have more. Damn. West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Udaipur, Chittorgarh, Dangarpur, Banswara, Bilwara districts, Rajasthan. Nice. Okay. Oh, it's actually not the distribution. It is scattered patches, like means only some of them are there. So characteristics color, it is red in color and contains amount of iron oxide. Which color is iron oxide? Fe. Oh, it is red in color, this color, right? So at several places, its color slightly changes as it appears brown or gray. It looks yellow when it occurs in the hydrated form. Sorry, form. Okay, now mind. Then on the right hand side, we have about texture. Texture, it is porous, loose, aerated, is generally shallow. Its pH value ranges from 6.6 to 8.0 minerals. And I mean 8.0. That is the pH value. So basically, they're telling that it is. Did you understand? No, okay. Alkali in nature. Anything below 7 is acid, right? Now, what is minerals? Poor in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, organic matter. It contains soluble salts in small quantities. Nice. Then crops, growing vegetables, rice, ragi, tobacco, groundnut, sorry, potatoes can be grown on coarse soils at a higher level, sugarcane on heavy clays at lower levels. Then here we have a last soil, that is the laterite soil, which have to go through. So what is a laterite soil? Laterite soil is a soil. Nice information. Okay, so there are two types of laterite soil, upland laterites and lowland laterites. They both are formed over hills, uplands, they are transported by streams towards lowlands. Such transported soil are known as lowland laterites. Distribution is peninsular plateau, especially on the summits of the Sahyadris, Eastern Ghats, Rajmahal Hills, and many other hills in the eastern part of peninsula. So guys, I just don't remember some of the parts. So I give you a tip to remember the easy ones like Eastern Ghats, Rajmahal Hills, like that. Some of the things which you can't, I'm not telling for everybody, but some people may use the trick of remembering only easy ones, that like found in MP, Odisha, MH, WP, APTS, KAKLTN. Then color is characteristic of laterite soil. Color is red in color due to the presence of, let me guess, is it the iron oxide? Yeah, it is. So next page. So where is it? Okay, iron oxide, presence of iron oxide, that's why it is red in color, like this color. Okay, then we have texture, coarse textured, soft, friable. Then minerals, it is porous soil. Silica, it is removed from chemicals action. It is poor in lime and magnesium. Deficient alkalines are least rich in iron oxide and potash. Crops, it does not retain moisture and hence it is not fertile. Cashew nuts, tea, coffee. Laterite soil have low fertility because high acidity, depth, low moisture retention, manuring, and other activities are required to make it suitable for growing crops such as ragi, rice, and sugarcane. Then we have soil erosion. Before that, we'll go to the table. It's just again the same thing, whatever we learned just now. So if it's just the same thing as you can see, alluvial soil, sediments by rivers. We learned everything. So just go through this. Yeah, it's the same thing again. So now go to the next page. It's about soil erosion. There are how many types? There are four types, right? No, three types. Yeah, three types. That is one from water, one from human action, and one from wind. So first thing, water. So remember this important soil erosion by water. Okay. Actually, you know what? Just ignore this. Okay, that is not important for you. That is just kind of a short thing which I try to remember, you know, short form. Yeah. Then we have sheet erosion, rill erosion, gully erosion, leaching, sea or shore erosion. You have to remember, and you have to remember five. So there are five, but I insist four, which are like these first, because they may ask four or three or maybe five. You know what? Just read everything. Just everything is important. Just remember. Then we'll go down. We have steam bank erosion, right? What is steam bank erosion? Soil erosion due to the human action. Yeah, the soil, the loss of vegetation covers leads to sheet erosion or hilly slopes because water instant on or sinking into the ground washes the soil down. Interesting. And these are, you can just write in your own words. Okay. Then now we have erosion by wind, which is also important. Just highlight these of things from wind erosion to high velocity wind. So wind erosion refers to the movement of deposition of soil particles by the wind. It occurs when soil devoid of vegetation is exposed to highly velocity wind, right? Then causes of soil erosion. Causes of soil erosion. Heavy population pressure on the land, nature of the rainfall, overgrazing, bad farming technique, then topography, deforestation. So I have marked around 1, 2, 3, 4. So I insist on learning all six. Yeah. And then we have prevention. Yeah. Ignore that. Ignore this shit. Okay. Prevention, terrace farming, shelter belts, contour plying, strip cropping. Again, remember everything, right? So, and construction of dams, plugging gullies, planting trees. Then we have soil conservation. Soil conservation means the prevention of the soil loss from the erosion or prevention of reduced fertility of soil caused by overusage, acidification, salinization, or other types of soil contamination. Loss of fertility topsoil together with its mineral nutrients from the upper surface lead to gradual loss of soil fertility and agricultural productivity. Lower, lowering of the water table and decreasing soil moisture, silting of liver and canal beds, recurrence of landslides, and adverse effect on economic prosperity and cultural development. Yes, look at the next page. So, oh, we're done. Okay, cool. I guess you guys understood and had fun learning. Okay, you can just type in the comment. Tell me in the comment that if this type of learning is kind of helping you. Yeah, I'm just telling you guys like what to mark, which is like important, and giving you tips so that it'll be helpful in some or the other way for your exams. So yeah, my intention is not to waste your time. So if you want, you can view my video, and if you like it, so guys, I guess we finished for today. I hope you understood something in this soil erosion. So we'll guys meet back, you know, in the next video. Till then, take care, everyone. Stay safe, chill, cool out. Bye. Have a great day.